In this video, we will take you on a ride from Makati to Alabang via the Skyway. Coming up next. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. If you want to watch our videos about modern Philippines, please click on the link above. Alright, let's start. I started my drive from the Amorsolo Street in Makati City, and I will be going to Alabang to shoot my videos about my drive on the streets of the business districts of Alabang, and also visit the Alabang Town Center. Click on the link above if you want to watch my video about my drive in Philinvest, Alabang. If you want to watch my video about the Alabang Town Center, please click on the link above. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the ride to Alabang. Sunday morning is always a good time to ride. The drive took about 15 minutes from the ramp in front of Don Bosco in Makati up to the off-ramp right at the Alabang Zapote road. Approaching to your right is the Naia exit. Coming from Makati, there are 5 exits along the Skyway. The first one is the Naia exit, or the exit to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The second one is the Bicutan Exit to Taguig. We also have the Sucat Exit to Pananaque. The fourth exit is the South Luzon Expressway, if you want to continue further to Laguna and Batangas. And the last and final exit is at the Alabang and Pinas. Approaching to your right is the Bicutan Exit. The Skyway has a minimum speed of 60 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Approaching to your right is the Sucat Exit. Approaching to your right is the South Luzon Expressway to Laguna and Batangas. Oh, by the way, the toll fee during this time is at 164 pesos. We are now approaching the Alabang exit and reaching the end of the Skyway. We have now reached the Alabang Zapote road. Where do you want me to go next? Write on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.